Okay, ready for the ride. Let's go. Okay, so we are off to Hubballi now. First we'll be going to Hubballi, my hometown, and then we will be going to Bagalkot. Hubballi is my hometown and Bagalkot is Muthu's hometown. Muthu is my flatmate. He is coming with me. He is also my college friend, same mechanical department. We'll be going to explore the complete Bagalkot district, at least the ones which are at least the places which are quite famous in Bagalkot district. If you are seeing here and thinking something is wrong with the engine, no. Yesterday night I lubed the chain while keeping the engine on, so the traction control, if it sees any discrepancy, it throws up this light. It will go away in a few kilometers, or once I turn off the engine and turn on back right, it will go away after a few kilometers. So we actually decided to leave a little late today because for the next 3 days we'll be waking up early to explore all the different places. So we decided to sleep a little well today, sleep a little longer, and decided not to have a lot of exhaustion on the first day. Not sure when the government will finish this metro construction. During peak hours, this road becomes hell. For people traveling in cars, it's still okay because they'll sit in AC. We are stuck at the junction where Outer Ring Road joins with Tumkur Road. Huge traffic line. Now I am at least able to see the junction there. Finally, Nelamangala toll gate. Whitefield nitra Nelamangala mata barodu onda, illinda namuri hogodu onda. In terms of effort, some beautiful plants, beautiful flowers on the divider. Looks like there's some kind of temple or something on top of it. Really like going close to them. Stopped here on the service road for taking some rest, and this is, I haven't introduced Muthu yet, right? So this is Muthu, my college friend and also my flatmate. So our next stop will be a hotel in Chitradurga. Not sure how much of wind noise is coming in the audio. Just a check for that. 120 kmph wind noise check. Wind noise check. This heat wave is crazy. The gust of wind that is hitting my body is hot, very hot. I'm still sweating inside my helmet, and the main reason is whatever the wind is blowing, that's very hot. I think it was not a good decision to start late. We should have left early in the morning. I think the exhaustion because of this hot wind stopped here for having coconut water. We lose a lot of electrolytes while sweating, so it's very important to replenish those electrolytes. Normal water will not be able to provide you with a lot of electrolytes. ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಶ್ರೀದ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ದುರ್ಗಾಸಿರಿ. I hope you are able to see those beautiful windmills on our left. A lot of them in series. I don't know why maps asked us to take the service road so early. Yeah, sometimes I think it's better to enter the service road early itself, so that you don't go ahead and end up taking a U-turn. So yeah, good suggestion by Google Maps. ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ? Okay, so here we are at Durgasiri restaurant. I am having ragi mudde and Muthu is having chapati. We will be getting rice later. Just finished a very fulfilling heavy meal. Ragi mudde was quite awesome. A nice lake beside us.
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां नहीं भूलूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। तेरा हाथ से हाथ छोड़ना, तेरा सायों का रुख मोड़ना, तेरा पलट के फिर न देखना नहीं माफ करूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। बारिशों में बेधड़क तेरे नाचने से, बात बात पे बेवजह तेरे रूठने से, छोटी छोटी तेरी बचकानी बदमाशियों से मोहब्बत करूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। तेरे झूठे कस्मे वादों से, तेरे जलते सुलगते ख्वाबों से, तेरी बेरहम दुआओं से नफरत करूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान।
they make bricks. So we had a glass of lemon soda here. Now Muthu is going to ride. I'll be on the pillion seat. So we are inside Hubballi now. We will reach my home in next 5 to 10 minutes. I'll make separate vlogs for exploring Badami, Pattakkallu, Aihole and all.